फर्स्ट एड्स एक ड्रीम को डिफाइन कर रही है। ये ह्यूमन इस तरीके से चलेंगी के कंधे पे
देखा गया लेकिन वो भी डैमेज खास के डाउन कर देगा जोकर।
अरे बेटा यार मिस कर रहा हूं मैं यहाँ पे खेलने, बट गाइस ये जो ट्रॉफी है नेक्स्ट टाइम फॉर श्योर।
The BMPS 2024 is finally over. The 41-day long journey, and yet it took to the last game to get our champions of Pro Series 2024. Hi gamers, this is your host Shagun and you are watching GG Daily, a daily roundup of esports and gaming news. So let's begin with today's episode. The BMPS Grand Finals kicked off from 27 September. This was the season of comebacks as we were seeing multiple teams like Godlike, Orangutan, Medal making an official LAN appearance after a long time. For Godlike, this was after 900 plus days. Orangutan, since its inaugural, was never able to make a Grand Finals appearance in any official tournament. For Encore and Paradox from Team Medal Esports, this was a journey of redemption to reclaim themselves as one of the best in the scene. The old school duo of Ovace and Ash was here to reclaim their glory. Since the launch of BGMI, both of them never made it into the Grand Finals. This time, under the banner of New Men Esports, they were looking more hungry than ever. TWOB, under the leadership of former official champion Prince OG and alongside controversial addition of Legit, was roaring into the finals, outperforming every other team in the previous stages. The newly found gems in the likes of Silly Esports and Phoenix Esports were here to start their story with the golden mold. Day 1 started as expected, the mighty Godlike marching down the battlegrounds. Anyone coming into their way was crushed down, hunted and eliminated from the lobby. With 2 chicken dinners on day 1, Godlike Esports was topping the table with 66 points. Following them were the heroes from Newman with 52. The difference was 14 points. On third place were seated the unexpected names of Inferno Squad. On day 2, Godlike started right where they left on the first day. After the first game, the gap was more than 30 points. Godlike crossed 90 points, while Newman on second was yet to cross the 60 mark. The pace at which Godlike were moving, it looked like they were gonna rob out the event on day 2 itself. But out of the 64 players, one was here to earn respect. Playing with the most successful team of last year, he had won this trophy last season but as a 5th player. The tag pinching him always. He was here for what he deserved. The smiling Joker.
चाहता है एक अच्छा नेड। ओ गॉड, वो नेड अगर थोड़ा और बेहतर जाता तो डैमेज मिलता, बट जोकर पोजीशन किसी भी समय रिवील हो सकती है। इस प्लेयर की हल्की सी भी आवाज भारी पड़ेगी और जोकर 4 शिकारियों के सामने घात लगा के बैठा। ये शेर
एक ग्रेनेड और एक मोलोटॉव है उनके पास। फाइनली वो एक ग्रेनेड को किया जा रहा है। जोकर पिछले मैच में बहुत शानदार खेल कर गए पर नहीं, वो ग्रेनेड ठिकाने पर नहीं गया। मोक्ष उनको अभी भी अंदाजा है नहीं। जोकर
It was Weekendy playing for Team X-Path, the winners of BGIS 2024. They had a forgettable day. Firstly, sitting on #11 with just 25 points, they needed a miraculous performance to climb up to the podium, and Joker gave it to them.
रेड एंड वोट आउट कर दिए गए पर जोकर अब उनके पास पूरा मौका है कि याद रहो फायदा उठा कर ली। जोकर वो ऊपर उठे, खिलाड़ी को डाउन किया, क्रिप्टो वो भी डाउन कर दिए गए। उनका भी परेश जोकर वो अपने खाते में लेकर जाएंगे। लेजेंड उनको भी देखा गया, लेजेंड वो भी डैमेज खा चुके, डाउन कर देगा जोकर।
ये इस खिलाड़ी ने हैदराबाद हाइड्रास 2 तरफा वार हुआ था, 2 प्लेयर बैक टू बैक डाउन हुए थे, फिर जोकर आए, फायदा दिखाया उन्होंने। अपनी टीम के लिए लड़ रहा है ये खिलाड़ी, एक और मौके इंतजार कर रहा है, एक और फिनिश इंतजार कर रहा है। टीम X-Path, we all now can feel the spark।
कल के दिन पे वो सिंप थे जिनका जलवा हमें देखने को मिला था, आज के दिन पे जोकर का वो जलवा, ग्रेनेड वो शॉट।
This epic 1v7 clutch for WWCD proved to be the 83 couple wave knock for Team X-Path, and they will storm up to second position, scoring 86 points in a single day. However, Godlike was still on the top, but the difference, which was once 30 plus, was now narrowed down to just 1 point. On third was Team Newman with 105 points. It was all down to the final day. It was almost certain that these 3 teams will finish top 3. But which at 1 and which at 3 was yet to be said. Day 3 started with bottom teams making their names. Reckoning, Inferno Squad, Team Bliss and VST took chicken dinners in the first 4 matches. But Godlike and Newman continued their consistent run. On the other hand, Team X-Pac were constantly targeted by Ignite Gaming. After match number 16, Godlike was topping the table, followed by Newman and TX, but the difference was just 12 points between the first and the third. It was all down to the last 2 matches. Often the second last ones are more important than the last one, and Team X-Pac knew it.
जाएगा मैन एडवांटेज टीम एक्स-पाक के पास और आप वो स्प्लिट तो देखिए, ये भूखे शेर हैं जो आगे बढ़ते हुए नजर आएंगे। सिली के प्लेयर्स को भी स्पॉट किया गया। इन्फर्नो वो ऑलरेडी लो ऑन एचपी है, उनको भी टेक डाउन किया जा सकता है और ये 8वां फिनिश।
Scoring 22 points in the match number 17, they took over the #1 position. TX was on the verge of creating history. No other team had won back-to-back official tournaments in the history of BGMI. But in between were the likes of Godlike and Newman, fighting for their first official trophy of BGMI. Match started, plane took off, and yet again, Ignite Gaming was there to challenge Team X-Pac for an early fight.
की कोशिश हर कोई कर रहा है, बट ये स्मोक्स किए गए। इग्नाइट के खिलाड़ी आगे मूव करने के लिए तैयार और वो जो 3 तरफा वार था वो इग्नाइट के लिए किया गया। स्प्रे गॉड टेकिंग मैन 1 डाउन एंड दूसरा खिलाड़ी शैडो ने बोला कर लीजिए आप पहले, उसके बाद मैं देखूंगा। द आईजीएल स्ट्राइक्स एंड नाउ जोकर एक सवाल लेकर के सामने बैठे, उन्हें फाइट लेनी पड़ेगी। स्प्रे गॉड इस जोड़ी को करना होगा कारनामा, बिल्कुल सामने इनके खिलाड़ी। स्प्रे गॉड गोइंग फॉर इट, हर्ष मलिक कर चुका है काम, वो 3 फिनिशेस टीम एक्स-पाक के स्प्रे गॉड के पास एंड सपना अभी भी जीवित है।
TX knew they would come, but Sarang was caught off guard. In the battle of 3v4, TX smacked them down but lost their IGL. The table toppers were down to Hyderabad Hydra last 2 players. Anyhow, they had to survive. They took control of the Yasnaya God building and silently waited. On the other hand, Godlike and Newman started off well, ignoring early fights and trying to take the match deep. But Zone, the play zone, kept moving away, and in order to move ahead, Godlike had to cross the challenge of Hyderabad Hydras.
वो पंख के कंधे पे एक डीबीएस उनके हाथ में और सामने है हैदराबाद हाइड्रास के मोस्ट पंख, वो आगे बढ़ते हुए नजर आएंगे। स्पॉट की और मां कसम आशुतोष है सामने, वो फिनिश उनके खाते में।
The Nizams from Deccan had earlier been the cause of elimination of Team Soul, earning the title the Elder Soul Crushers. The fight broke, 1 down, 2 down to a 1v1. Punk with his shotgun took down the opponent but found himself alone. All his teammates were eliminated from the lobby. Newman was also eliminated while fighting for their entry into the zone. After a few minutes, Punk was eliminated as well.
5 फर्स्ट एड्स एक ड्रीम को डिफाइन कर रही है। ये 5 इंपॉर्टेंट फर्स्ट एड्स किस तरीके से चलेंगी, वो सोचने वाली बात।
The smiling Joker with his emote on the rooftop of the tallest building was the confirmation of TX creating a history. Joker silencing the critiques and the truthfulness in the dream.
All the 7 seas roar when Spray God and Sarang they play and they play in style. Phoenix के खिलाड़ी वो चलिए अभी भी सर्वाइव करते हुए and we all know that the show must go on. Joker, 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 the man, the myth, the monster.
और आप देखिए स्प्रे गॉड भी है जो यहाँ पर आ करके उनका साथ।
The years-old dream of Scout of creating an invincible, unsurpassed and unconquerable team, Team X-Pac.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me present you with the champion of IQ BSPS 2024, Team X-Pac. वो आए थे एक सपने के साथ।
अपने को लेगेसी क्रिएट करनी है, ये शुरुआत है। मैं चाहता हूँ कि हम लोग वो टीम बने जो नोवा बनी थी इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे। ऑब्वियसली हम लोग को भी इंटरनेशनल चैंपियनशिप उठानी है, बट उससे पहले मैं चाहता हूँ कि इंडिया में ऐसा सीन सेट कर ले कि आदमी जब खेले तो बोले कि भाई हम सेकंड के लिए ही खेल रहे हैं, फर्स्ट तो टीम एक्स-पाक ही आनी है। वो लेगेसी भी बनाना तो मैं सही बताऊँ तो स्टार्ट है डोमिनेशन का।
So this was all about BMPS 2024 Grand Finals. I hope you liked it. If yes, then hit the like button and subscribe for more updates. Until then, GG.